In this topic of the struggle against infertility, we know of a saint, it was Saint Vicente Ferrer, who managed to combine the practice, the miracles, with the theory.
Amazing stories. Things as they were, or perhaps as we've been told.
His master formula for this subject can be found in a biography of the saint written by a relative of his, the father and master Fray Andrés Ferrer de Valdecebro, who was, among other things, a member of the Supreme Inquisition.
Holy and devout recipe left by San Vicente Ferrer, so that those who are sterile may bear blessed fruit. First, that they should live well and guard themselves from sin. Second, that they should not deny the marital duty to their husbands.
Perhaps here it would have been also adequate to prescribe the husbands not to deny his duty to their wives.
Third, that they should offer themselves to God morning and evening, praying the Rosary of the Most Holy Mary, and afterwards the Creed. Fourth, that those who can read should read Psalm 127, Beati omnes qui timent Dominum. Blessed are all who fear the Lord. Fifth, that those who cannot read should have it read to them every day. So, success was guaranteed. With these practices, he assured them unfailingly of offspring, as all those who have followed them have indeed had. Long forgotten. Today, in Imprimatur.